Met this London girl in a Notting Hill Carnival. Say she love yard man, love the island feel. Accent sweet, so she pull me close. Say she know his style from coast to coast, just on some vibes. Start talk wild, but the thing she know. Say the yard man, always steal the show. Me raise my bro, like hold on now. Who teach you that? Better tell me how. She laugh and sip, then she lean real near. Say, everyone you see him out here. Me step back quick at to check that claim, cause she calling out the whole man name. If I saw the talk go around these days, then who start up all them ways? Me hear one thing, she swear it's true. Now me stuck like, ooh, fool, ooh. Call me the London girl, reputation loud, but the truth stay low. Everybody talking but nobody know. Reputation loud, yeah the stories grow. But who said the thing, no one for know. Say one thing then another show. What a typical London girl. Man say no, but the girl say yo. But the girl say yo. Touchdown tower of London, same story repeat. Different gal but the same old speech. Said she date one man from Kingston side. Big stage performer with a worldwide vibe. Said behind the scenes, him different still. Not just lyrics, him got extra skill. Me nearly choke when she call out name, cause a whole next level she start proclaim. Laugh it off but she stand her ground. Said the yard man never turn that down. I'm pretty hard, can't lie no more. Too much witness if you ignore the score. From London town to Jamaican shore, same old story, can't ignore. If every gal got the same review, then something there we missing too. Call me the London girl, reputation low, but the truth stay low. Everybody talking but nobody know. Reputation loud, yeah the stories grow. But who said the thing, no one fi know. Say one thing then another show. What a typical London girl. Man say no, but the girl say oh. Flew to Barbados, met a southern queen. Smile so bright, yeah you know what I mean. She said she wants to take a trip out west, Caribbean sun, yeah she love that best. And she grin like she know my mind. Say don't pretend, don't waste my time. Startless stories left and right, like she collecting tales every single night. Now my past start laugh inside, cause every gal got the same guideline. Either man them while the details get spun, but either way this you're far from done. Is it high? Is it fame? Is it culture? Take the blame. Is it truth or just the game? Why every story sound the same? Call me the London girl, reputation loud, but the truth stay low. Everybody talking but nobody know. Reputation loud, yeah the stories grow. But who said the thing, no one fi know. Say one thing then another show. What a typical London girl. Man say no, but the girl say oh. Hey yo, all for them London girls. Me not call no name, but somebody definitely a talk too much.